Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Armando Raquel. If you're new here, if you're a real G, hit that subscribe button. It won't cost anything. Make sure the red button is gray. So I'm going to do a small intro of this video. I'm a medical training college student, that year first semester. I do medical engineering, as you can see by the uniform. So I'm going to vlog like a productive day in my life when I have classes back to back from morning to jioni. And also I'm going to put like a small car film when I'm taking the COVID-19 vaccine. So enjoy.
Baby, so I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you.
This video, I want to give you the COVID-19 review about the vaccine that I was injected yesterday. It was cool, painless, but the hand is still kind of iko na kauchungu kaumbali, but no effect. I have no chills, I have no headache, no fatigue. Like nimekuwa nikisikia wase wakisema wanaafektiwa, but I was okay. So I think I was given a second vaccine to take on 25th November. So I'll be taking the second vaccine on 25th November. Yeah, so please consider taking the vaccine. It's for your own sake. Like, protect yourself. This COVID is real. Like, haita cost anything, but I'm not forcing anyone to take the vaccine. Ama kuambia msele kusichukue. It's upon you. I guess this will be the end of this vlog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Also, let's interact on my comment section.